and campaign for political positions. As healthcare workers, and I speak for all healthcare workers, we will not sit back and watch the healthcare of this nation go down due to incompetencies of a few people. Today is that much. But as a union, as KMPDU, we are going to give a strike notice starting today, a 7-day strike notice that will culminate in shutdown from Sunday midnight. Because we've been saddened when we hear the CS saying that since she's incompetent enough to post interns, she will change the rules. Kwani, who is she?
Who is she?
Yeni nani?
Who is she?
Yeni nani? Nakumicha must work within the law.
To cause. Let me say this. It is actually a revelation by the CS saying, it was a revelation of the CS saying that this was not planned, that it was an accident. How did she know? How did she know? Because police are well trained how to use their tools of work, and it was a clear target. So if the CS indeed can say that this was not an aimed attack, what do she know?
Tutigane na icio na ni atekia